No.
Marty, see what's getting on.
Shh. That's a good boy.
Let him bite on your arm.
Hold the camera. We're filming.
Oh, okay. Don't put your arm there. Yeah.
You wanted something from Joe Miller's?
Yes, I would.
I'll get you a little bit of brisket.
Okay. Mommy. Mom.
That might also say bring me a sushi.
Hi, Stinker. Oi, come on, dude. Let him.
If you leave him alone, he starts barking.
Oh, he wanna play. Hey, no, that's my bear. You can't.
Oh, come
Mommy.
pretty boy.
Can you bring me a sweet tea or no? Okay.
Money getting beaten up by Copper. He got your hair in his mouth.
Oh, my little boy.
Cutie patootie. Money, how come it's so blurry?
Maybe because Copper licked it. Because she licked it because you took the boy.
Let me see.
Ah, he licked it again.
Oh, he licked it again. His babas are all over it.
How can you? Ow, you bit me again.
Oh, you son of a gun. It hurts right.
Yes, he has sharp little teeth.
Yes, he does. I thought it would be like a little pinch. Forget it. It's like a shot.
It's like a bullet.
Yes, it is. Moving to the other side of the bed.
Copper Whopper, look at those beautiful ears.
Leave him alone. See if he barks.
Thinker, Copper.
There she goes again.
There he goes, biting Marisol, eating her hair.
Oh, Copper, you wanna pay?
He gonna jump.